Okay, next person is Lisa, number 8. Lisa, I think that as you speaking here, I can see a lot of problems. Part of it has to do with the time you are kind of fast with what you are saying. So I think when you are reading, maybe you can try to put something in your voice to make you sound like you are not just reading words. You are speaking to an audience, and I feel like you just reading. You are not really paying attention to try to make yourself sound while you are saying sound interesting. It's just like I'm reading the words. They are here, and I think as speakers we have to try in some way to maybe work on putting an emphasis on certain words, and so they don't come out sounding so flat, and so just like I am reading the words now, just saying what I want to say, and I get them down. So I hope you understand what I'm saying here. Sometimes people will put different stress on different words, and they try to change their words so they don't come across sounding so flat in mother tongue. Another thing is I think you should work a little bit sometimes on your writing skills, because when you speak we don't see the written words, but when we read it we notice some problems. For instance, you say in my opinion period. First of all, I don't think you shouldn't afterwards in my opinion, and you are saying your whole thing is about your opinion, but can you see the problem? Personal right in my opinion period. Your goal and achieve what you want. First of all, I want to get to that part, but the period should not be after in my opinion. So there you have to be careful. That's a bad writing problem. So work on that. Then you say your goal and achieve what you want. That's not a complete sentence, and it really doesn't make a lot of sense what's written like that. You gotta work on that too, Lisa. You use the word unpredictable things, but then you say the word unpredictable incorrectly. So you choose that word. You should work on making sure the pronunciation is right on the word you want to read. The words you also have the tendency you to read kind of fast, so while your words say much different in the way you are speaking, they were flat, but they also coming out kind of fast, like you want to get through it. So I would suggest you slow down a bit. Another thing here is 1 second, I want to read this. You start hello, you start by saying, I don't know if you say asking people not to do that. You start by saying hello everyone, I'm so nervous to be here, and I gonna talk about why I think lack of fears and desire is the most difficult thing for me to do. But I don't even think that was a topic, was it? Was it? Fear and desires, or maybe it was. I don't know, but anyone, you don't have to tell audience you are nervous. Can I give you a piece of advice? Even I don't know if you actually said it in class, because I was telling people not to do that to get rid of those unnecessary words. But we are assumedly say that everybody is nervous when they talk. Even experienced speech makers can get very nervous. I get nervous before I enter the classroom sometimes, so you don't have to ever tell the audience you are nervous. Don't even show them you are nervous. Go with confidence. If you are shaking inside, you are very nervous, don't let audience feel that. But you start by saying fear is the unpleasant feeling you have. You used comma after fear. I don't think you know how to use these grammatical markers correctly, so you use period. What is wrong? You use the comma incorrectly, so you're gonna use this stuff. Please learn how to use it correctly. There is a part your first sentence here, right? And yet you are fear comma is the unpleasant feeling. Now let's get to what you're saying here. Fear is the unpleasant feeling you have when you think you are in danger or something that you're afraid of. It's an awkwardly written sentence, but more importantly, here you are telling us what we already know. We know what fear is. You don't have to tell us what fear is. We all experienced. We all know we want to know about Lisa. Then you say, usually fall into fear. That's very awkward way. We don't fall into fear. I fear something. I have fear. I experience fear. So there you go. And 1 second, then the time you talk about others things that make us feel worried, and if we let go our desires, make our hearts simple, we become a pure person. Lisa, you should only talk about Lisa. That's all about Lisa, no one else. So that's my comment, and thank you.